2005 की बात है, मैंने ग्रेजुएट किया था. I had just done my masters and there was some time on my hand before my convocation, and I walked. My friend said, "Why don't you come volunteer at this place called School of Leadership?" And I walked in, and it was love at first sight. I think this was the biggest turn of my life, and I fell in hook, line, and sinker with it. But when you fall in love with the organization, with the idea, then there's no turning back, and then it's all about जैसे मोहब्बत की कहानियाँ होती हैं और दिलवाले होती है. Then it's all about the rebellion, and it's all about the sleepless nights, and the work took me places. Shortly after I started, I went on to do a 2-year stint with as a lead trainer, and I think that's where I formed my foundation as a facilitator. And the cross-cultural communication there, and the kind of people and the exposure, and I came back bolder and braver. And 11 years, and there has been no looking back. Hi, I'm Uruj Mazhar, and I believe that all living things are destined for something much greater than what they are in right now. We have a legacy to leave behind. We have a legacy of giving. We have to make a mark for ourselves, and I think all of us sort of undermine that ke mujhse kya hoga. And that's my belief about turning the world around, that if we are not turning, then we are almost turning towards death. We are turning towards non-living. We are not really alive then. Teda, कीड़ा, lines, asymmetry, मुख्तलिफ, अनोखा, ये कैसे होगा? All things which sort of challenge the done, which challenge the what's ordinary, which challenge the way we've been seeing things, doing things, saying things. That's what turns me on. It turns me on that we need to do this better. We need to do this with more value addition. We need to add something else. We need to add our own custom, tailored taste to it, which is why I'm all about like customizing things and not doing it the way मेरी अम्मा ने किया है या आपके अब्बा ने किया है या आपके बॉस ने किया है, but the way which sort of adds your personal touch, because all of us have this, we all have our thumbprints, we all have something which is really individual, and unfortunately we are in this line for following whether it's a brand culture, whether it's a cult, somebody else has done it, but that's their thumbprint. What's your thumbprint? So turn around, find your thumbprint and leave your legacy. I would say that you can turn your life around right now. Right now, in the midst of the pains, in the problems, in the constraint, in the traffic and the salary cuts और जो तुम्हारे मसले हैं, उसके बीच में you can turn around. Because the beauty, as Shakespeare said, is that life is a play and each day goes on. And I would like to say that life is like that favorite show of yours where you have no idea कि अगले episode में कौन सा script चलेगी, कौन सी language आएगी, कौन सा haircut होगा, whether it's what you're going to say or what your script has been. It is just so exciting for me to realize that every day can be different if we decide to turn it the way we can be. And really, who are you? How do you know how your tomorrow will going to be? And what's your part in writing that script? And I just believe that if you turn, you can change it all. The best thing I've heard after a session has been my birthday gift actually. A few years ago, birthday inbox में बहुत सारी चीज़ें आती हैं and we underestimate the power of it. But one day I opened this mailbox and somebody from a session in a conference, and so that I like to think of it like a butterfly effect, मुझे पता भी नहीं चला, और उन्होंने कहा कि आपकी बात से मुतासिर होकर मैंने अपने लाइफ गोल को अचीव किया, and he sent me pictures of before and after, because he was into health and gymnastics and how he achieved his dream and what he wanted to do by hearing a small hour-long talk. So I think I feel very blessed and humbled to have that.